G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D TV. I'm KC, and in today's video is a mail call from Big Keg in Queensland, Australia. But firstly, I'd like to say a big warm welcome to all of our new subscribers and our old faithful subscribers, and also all of our viewers. We appreciate it that we got a heap this month came in on us, so we do really appreciate that there, and I am trying my hardest to get as much content out as I can, because unfortunately a lot of you probably know and seen our posts in the community posts that we're having major computer issues, and yes, they're still ongoing. We got the laptop to fire up, but it won't recognise any of the drives that are in there, so yeah, that'll teach me for not backing up on a external hard drive. But anyway, you learn, live and you learn, and now everything, of course, that we're doing is all on the external hard drive, so hopefully the external hard drive won't give way. Let's pray to God that that doesn't happen. Alright, so let's get organised and let's get in and get this open. Now, he sent us some cars that we couldn't get in Tasmania. JV got them from a guy down at Hobart, and they were on pre-order, but then we also found out now that you can also get them from Autobarn, Auto Parts in Australia, and also Repco. Toy World in Tasmania doesn't have them, but Big Keg saying that Toy World up there does. Alright, so let's get organised and get it open. Look at that. Oh, job done. Oh wow, look at all these packaging here. Oh, let's see what we've got. Let's have a check it out. Alright, here we go. Oh, okay, awesome. Beautiful HQ Holden from Oz Wheels. They are absolutely awesome. And he's also got it in a protector, which is cool. Now, while we were talking about protectors, those protectors that we've got down here, Big Keg, is they're only suited for mainline cards. So I thought I'd better let you know that before I send it off, because I'm also waiting for a couple other things to arrive. And there we go. And get the BMW Wagon. I got that one there. Now, when I got this colour here, I can't find where I put it, and I opened it up, and a white car came out. So we'll open that up in a moment. And we also got an awesome, what they call it, a Cadet, which is a Holden Gemini here in Australia. So how cool is that? And we've also got a 1968 Chevrolet C10 pickup. That is a cool pickup. I like that model, Chev. Oh, and there we go. We've got a custom coming. We've got two Opel Cadets. You legend. Every time I go to the supermarkets and the shops down here, we can never find them at all. And oh wow, have a look at this. Let's get that out of the road. Let's put that back over there and shift these other chaps around. How sweet is this? Man, thank you so much, Big Keg. That is so appreciative. I can't believe it. You sent us those there. That is absolutely awesome. So what we're going to do is since we'll CC got me both the same sets, those ones there I'll keep because they came from Big Keg. I won't modify or touch those ones there, but we've got a couple of white ones that I'm going to chop up, believe it or not. So let's get one and open it up while we're doing this video, and we'll check it out good and proper to see how cool they really are up close and personal. So we'll just quickly slip around the outside of that like that, and then around the other way, up there like that, and pop them out. Get the card out of the road. I've got the white one. So there we go. Wow, and they're metal, top and bottom. So the details on these are actually really, really good. The alignment for all of the tampo or decals or whatever you want to call them is actually really, really nice, and square, not crooked or things like that there. And I suppose you'd want them to be, since they're a premium vehicle, and they've got the Sandman there. So we're going to customise a couple of those. We've got a couple of them there that we're going to customise, and they'll be on the channel. But we've also got quite a few other videos coming as well, because we lost all of the footage. And what we're going to do is we've got a build for Opa Opa from the Diecast International Builders coming on the 21st of June this month there, so stay tuned for that. We've got a couple of Porsches that we're going to mess around with. One's just an assembly build, and the other one we're going to do a bit of modifying to a premium to make a premium even better. And then we've got PB's Corvette build to celebrate his 4 years on YouTube, so up on the screen, and the links will be in the description down below, and the same as for Big Keg, up on the screen, and the links will be in the description down below. Now the video is due out on the 21st for PBs, but he said you can release it any time, so that's cool. And you tune in to the video on the 27th and you might win a prize, so we'll leave that there. So I'll have all of the details come up after this video. We've also got a build for Copperhead Kustoms, the old Bedford rat rod truck, so that'll be one of our first videos that we'll have on our channel of a customer's build, because I do a lot of customers builds and I don't video them because it just takes so much work, and I was doing it to a few of them, and then the computer crashed and we lost all of these old videos that we were all working on. So all of these videos here are all new ones and they all had to be redone, so that's my fault. But anyway, and we've also got a video for our bull taco that CC and I restored over 10 years ago. It wasn't really meant for YouTube because it wasn't on YouTube 10 years ago, and it's just basically I took videos of it to show a guy in Melbourne who wanted to buy it, of what the bike looked like, and that actually did ride and run, because he'd bought a bike off someone over there, and when it landed it was an absolute bag of rubbish. So so there's no before and after photos. It'll just be a video of me riding around on it, and also a few funny parts in it there too when I'm kicking it over the opposite direction, because anyone knows anything about bull tacos, everything's on the wrong side is compared to your Jap bikes and your conventional motorbikes. So yeah, and also coming up at the end of this year we'll have the Diecast International Builders annual calendar, and also the Four Horsemen's annual calendar, and how to contact them. And just remember, there's no need to be a pro to have a go. These guys would love you to join in there and join in whichever build you want. You don't have to do every single one. Some of them might appeal to you, some of them won't, but just join in and have some fun. That's what it's all about. So there we go. So I'll try our hardest to get more content out as we can, but CC's having a really hard time at the moment with all of her medication and the issues that we had last year, because it's not even 12 months ago since she had a heart attack, so that's taken up a lot of time, plus also going back and forth to work and doing things as in general life that everyone has, not just us but everyone else does. So there you go. So anyway, there you go. So up on the screen, Big Keg, That Bastard Garage, check him out. The links are in the description down below and up on the screen. And there we go. How cool a Mailcall was that? Quite a few Holdens and a Chev and a BMW. Very sweet. Alright, so until next time, take care, look after yourselves, and just remember at the end of this video, if you want to have a go, no need to be a pro. Be sure to join in. Love to see you there. Take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.